got you deep in the heart of me, so deep in my heart that you're really a part of me. I've got you under my skin. Have you ever thought of yourself as actually dead, lying in a box with a lid on it? I mean, it's silly to be impressed by it. One thinks of it like being alive in a box. One keeps forgetting to take into account the fact that one is dead, which should make all the difference in the world. Shouldn't it? I mean, you'd never know you were in a box, would you? I mean, it would be like almost like being asleep in a box. Not that I'd want to sleep in a box, mind you. Not without any air. You'd wake up dead for a start, and then where would you be, apart from inside a box? That's a bit I don't like, frankly, and that's why I don't think about it. I mean, ask yourself, if I ask you straight off, I'm going to stuff you in a box now. Would you rather be alive or dead? Naturally, you'd prefer to be alive. I mean, life in a box is better than no life at all, I expect. You'd have a chance, at least. You could lie there thinking, well, at least I'm not dead. In a minute, somebody's going to come bang on the lid and tell me to come out. Hey, you, yeah, well, what's your name? Come out of there.